Hey y'all, this is Hadassah, and I just want to come on really quick and do a super quick unboxing of the new Christmas animation collection. I'm so excited because this is my first time getting any pieces from a Christmas collection. So I just want to show you guys really quickly how it comes. So the box looks like this. I have two boxes. So it's going to come like this. It says Louis Vuitton. And then let's get into the first one. So it opens up like this. And I'll take this out. So this is the envelope, of course. Just has your receipt and everything. And then here is the box. So let's open this up. To reveal, oh, how cute is this? Okay, so this is the one with the bumper cars, and I don't know if y'all can tell, but these colors are so vibrant. Like, I'm in love with the colors. And then it has a red tab, and on the inside it also has the red interior. So on to box number 2. So of course we just have another receipt and another box. To reveal, oh, backward. A second mini pochette. How cute, y'all. I think this is my favorite one. Okay, can y'all see the trunks that make up the roller coaster? This is so gorgeous and cute. And then it has the pavilion, yeah, that's how you say pavilion tab, and the interior as well. So super duper cute. So yeah, those are the 2 items that I got, and I highly recommend anyone get this collection because they're super cute. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.